Okay guys, this is Britter back with the Odin Project, and we are back on the alignment assignments, and we're on the flex header that we got stuck on. I try to fix this back to where we were most correct. And I looked at a couple things, and I wasn't paying attention to the fact that it said that we have some default margin and padding that we need to deal with. And I think that's why I couldn't get these separated. And so, let me look at this again. Display flex, justify content, space between. I think that's right. And I think the only other thing we need here is align items center, because the logo is supposed to be centered. Even though it's not doing anything yet. Logo, I think we don't actually have to do anything to the logo, because this is going to align the logo, and then UL, and this is going to deal with our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so I think here we got a display flex. Align, no, not align items. We don't want to align items. This is where we need to do margin. We gotta deal with the margin that's already there. 0. Let's see what that did. And refresh. Okay, so that moved everything down to where it's... So let's try padding, because right now, I guess we don't have to use pixels. We're just using 0. But the gap, we want to have a gap between them, and right now we have 0 gap. So let's see if that did what we needed it to. Okay. So that is exactly how we want that to look. But there's still some issues going on here. So we drag it, they stay, that's good. But it still doesn't quite look like this. So something is missing here. Alright, our header, we got display flex, we've got align items center, we got justify content, space between. And that's right. I'm not sure what exactly is causing the logo not to get smaller. List out display flex. List out type none. Display flex, margin 0, padding 0, gap 8 pixels. And so this is the wide view, which looks great. Oh, you know what? No, that can't be right. Display flex, margin 0, padding 0, gap 8 pixels. Logo, padding 4 pixels, 32 pixels. What I can't figure out is, alright, so that's the wide one. And this is the narrow one. And what I don't like and can't seem to figure out, maybe you guys can help me. We're also going to look at the solution here in a second. But this logo has space between. And I don't know how to make that. This seems like it's too big for some reason. And I'm not sure if that's a browser issue or if that is a I don't know what I'm doing issue. Because see, even here, it's too big. narrow, wide. They both look the same. Alright, let's go ahead and look at the code and see what's going on here. Because I don't like this. This does not look anything like this. So that 6 is too close there. The 1 is too close there. Maybe this doesn't. Let's see if we add 8 pixels. See what happens. Let's just see what happens. File, save, before we go and do anything. Oh my gosh. Okay, so 8 pixels, 8 pixels. That looks better there, but what about the logo? Font, padding, 4 pixels, and what if we try 8 pixels there? Save. That wasn't right. Okay. I got it closer, changing the paddings. Let's look at the solution. Alright, let's compare here. Font family, background. Well, they don't have that. Oh, okay, never mind. Padding. That's what I was missing. That padding right there. And they have margin 0 and 0. So let's try that. Padding. 8 pixels. Let's save that and see what happens. I don't think I needed this here. So let's change this to 0. And let's change this to 0. Literally one padding was causing the whole thing. And there it is. Perfect. Alright guys, I completely jacked that one up. Completely. Let's go ahead and close that one. And we'll close this and this. And let's go ahead and open the next one. Should I do the next one as a separate video? Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Alright guys, I'm going to do the assignment as the next video. So I will see you guys on that one. Thanks for hanging out. Bye.